Hello! Today we are going to learn how to disable Windows antivirus. Please note that this is not recommended action to turn off antivirus for a long time, as your computer really needs it. Nevertheless, if you are having problems and disabling antivirus is a way to fix it, here are the steps that you need to take. First, go to the Windows search and click on the settings. Next, click on the Privacy and Security and follow this up with Windows Security tab. Next, click on the Open Windows Security and then open Virus and Threat Protection. In the new window, click on the Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection settings. Here you'll be presented with multiple sliders that you can turn off and on. Let's turn off real-time protection first. You'll be prompted with user account control windows where you need to click on Yes. Additionally, you can turn off all of the other settings if needed. After a moment, you will get Windows security notification on your bottom right with information that your virus protection is turned off. You can of course turn it back on at any given time. Congratulations! You now know how to turn off Microsoft Defender on your machine. And that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please leave a like and I see you in the next one.